If you thought digital products was big and it is big, wait till you see service-based digital marketing, credit repair. I mean, discounts, savings, vacation, and wait till you get into that niche. A lot of you haven't experienced this whole digital marketing space. So right now, my whole idea this week is to, implement this new product. It's not brand new as far as how long it's been out, but to the internet, this new product that's going to help us all make money, help all of our work, whether you're posting 2 to 5 times a day, you're going live, it's gonna help all of us make money. And it's no tangible products, it's still digital, but it's in another industry that a lot of people sleep on and a lot of people run from because they don't know that you can have digital and you can have the perk of working as a team and making money as we all make money. So I made a 20-minute video. I know I'm gonna try to make it shorter. A 20-minute video explaining everything, how you want to start this, ASAP, because they pay weekly. You want to start this right now. You want to start sharing this right now because as my videos hit the internet, you're going to reap the benefits of my marketing as well, even as a newbie. So all I need you guys to do is comment below Wi-Fi-preneur in the comment section. Save this video and share it with as many people as you can, or just repost it because you're going to want to know about this before everyone else does.